Hello guys, good morning. Today is January 2nd, and for today's vlog, I am alone in LA for about 36 hours, so I wanted to vlog the experience. I've literally never been alone for this long in my entire life. I'm always surrounded by people, always with people, and this is a little bit weird, so I'm gonna vlog it because it'll motivate me to actually do stuff. So okay, so here is the situation. So I was home for 2 weeks for Christmas and New Year's. My family has decided that we are going to Hawaii for the next 2 weeks, basically. So to go to Hawaii, you have to get a COVID test before going into the country, obviously, to make sure you're completely safe. So we got our COVID test on New Year's Eve, and until then, I need to kind of like quarantine and basically not see anyone. Not that any of my friends are in LA right now anyway, but just more reason why I need to be alone for 36 hours. I'm here basically because I needed to bring all of my clothes back from Maryland, unpack that, and then pack for Hawaii. So that's also what I'm doing today. I'm packing for Hawaii, and yeah, I don't really know what else to do. I have like some tiny things I can get done, but for the most part, it's gonna be a pretty chill day, and I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do. So you guys are here for the adventure. First things first though, I am starving and we have no coffee and no food. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store and Starbucks and pick up some stuff to, you know, actually have something to eat and caffeinate with. So yeah, let's go. Okay, I think I'm just gonna get some like fruit I can make oatmeal with for breakfast, and then just pick up food for lunch and dinner. You know, treat myself a little bit, because also I don't want to deal with like having to buy groceries for just like one meal. Like, anyway, this is the fit. Let's go. I am hungry. Okay, why is it like freezing outside? I thought I was gone with the cold weather. It's so cold! Oh, that is an interesting light, but look at this, you guys. Got my coffee and I made some oatmeal. Kind of fire. I'm so far so good. I'm thriving on my own. I've already accomplished so much, and it's like 9:30, so I guess we'll see all the rest of the day, guys. So I need to film a super quick like intro outro for the video I need to be posting today. So I put a little bit of makeup on. Didn't do my hair, but like I feel like this works. I forgot one of my tripod attachments at home, so I am going to need to figure out how to rig something to attach my camera to this tripod. I feel like I can maybe use like my vlogging tripod and situate it up there, possibly. God, this is gonna be really risky. Okay, this might work, but it's like just very unsteady. Hello guys, so for today's video, I'm showing you all some of my favorite go-to healthy recipes as a college student. Guys, I literally, let me show you all this little contraption I have that could literally fall down any moment, but like how? Okay, I got my video uploading. That'll be up in a couple hours. I also made a TikTok of one of the recipes of my video. And now I think I'm gonna get a little workout in so I can get that over with. It's about noon right now. And I'm thinking maybe after that I can pick up my prescription at CVS and get some lunch. I decided to order sweet greens and feel like leaving quite yet. Anyway, I get the green goddess salad, but I get cilantro lime vinaigrette instead of the ranch. I am like starving. Oh my god. So it looks like, if you guys haven't had sweet green, you need to have it. It is so good. Okay, so this is what I have packed so far. I think my suitcase is like really full, possibly borderline too overweight, but I don't really have a way to figure that out, so I'm just gonna have to pack everything and like go off what it feels like. So we'll see how that goes. The only things I still need to pack are like mostly things I'm using the rest of the day, like chargers, electronics, stuff like that, and toiletries. And I think what I'm gonna do is buy some travel size bottles so I can fit everything in there without taking up too much room. So hopefully I have that at CVS because I don't want to go to 2 places. But anyway, it's like almost 3 right now, so I think I'm gonna go to CVS now and get that over with. But yeah, okay, so I need pick up my prescription and get the travel size bottles, and that's kind of it. I think that's all I need. Sorry, this vlog is like probably so boring. I'm just doing this random stuff, but I'm just trying to not be bored. I'm already so bored. Here we go. Yay, lots of traveling stuff. Success. They had pretty much everything I needed for like travel size stuff, and then little travel size containers too. Guys, I'm so bored. I don't know what to do, but also at the same time, like, I don't want to do anything. I'm just sitting in bed drinking water because I haven't drank any water today. I'm not good at that. I'm watching Netflix, and I just ordered myself some sugarfish, which was way too expensive, but I haven't had it all semester, and I'm really craving sushi. So I figured, why not treat myself? I am actually going to drive and pick it up. I figured I could save a little bit of money that I don't need to get 2 meals delivered in a day. Yeah, that's my night. Like, I don't know what to do right now. It's only 5:20. Like, I do not like being alone. This kind of sucks, but it's fine. I need to relax. I'm really bad at that, but I'm trying. Guys, I got my food. This might be the highlight of my day. And you know what? I'm gonna eat it in my bed. I don't know if that's gonna work, but I don't want to sit in the kitchen alone because that's really lonely. So, in my bed. Netflix. I've been thinking about this like all day. This is really depressing. Okay, I guess being this by myself. Look at that. Okay, yeah, yep, that's great. Okay, so I'm gonna eat this. Alright guys, I don't know what else to do. Like, it is 7 p.m. and after I eat this, like, what else do I do? I don't know how to be by myself. I'm literally always around people, so I might go on Instagram and see if anyone has suggestions, because, like, I don't know what to do. You can see me slowly devolve throughout this video. I already got it on my bed! Still worth it. I don't want to sit at a table. Oh my god, I'm doing it backwards. This day, I can't. Okay guys, it is a little past 10 right now, and I am, well, I'm not going to bed, but I'm not really doing anything else, and I haven't really been doing anything. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Sorry this was kind of a boring vlog. I wanted my vlog to like motivate me to do more fun stuff when I'm alone, but it just made me more sad about not doing anything. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be sure to do more entertaining vlogs in the future, but yeah. And yeah, I don't really have anything else to say, so good night and Happy New Year.